What is up, guys? So, oh, okay, all right. Why are you nudging me? What? What do you want? Stop, stop. Come on, lay down. Stop. Ziggy, I'm trying to do an introduction. Give me a break. What's up, guys? So today, I got a little special treat. Got another car. Well, it's not really a car, but it's a truck that I'm gonna be filming today, bringing to you guys. A buddy of mine named Steven is bringing it down, and we're gonna be filming it and reviewing it and going over it. So it's an old truck. It's a sleeper though, so I'll show you guys under the hood here in a second. But he should be coming here soon, and I'm excited to show it to you guys. So let's go. What you guys don't know is I have a soft spot for these old Ford pickups, being that I have my first car was actually was a Ford pickup, an old Ford pickup. So yeah, I love these old trucks. Look, it just arrived. Check this thing out. So we got this, was it the F250 Camper Special? 74 F250? Yes. But it looks pretty plain from the outside, but you got something under the hood, don't you? Yeah. You wanna check it out? Oh man, look at that. That Ford blue. Yep. That is nice, dude. You just put that in, what, like a couple months ago or something?
About a month or two ago, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just outside its break-in period. Dual electric fans, high flow chrome water pump.
Nice, nice. And you said the headers were from like a Thunderbird or something?
The heads are from a Thunderbird.
Oh, the heads are from a Thunderbird. Oh, okay.
And nice. The heads and the intake are both off the Thunderbird.
It's pretty
sweet. By a rancher in Williamsport, Pennsylvania,
really?
Area up there, up above Harrisburg.
Yeah.
And he owned it until 2007, when a guy in Spring Mills bought it.
Okay.
I bought it from him.
Oh.
That's the story. Is
yeah.
That I'm the third owner.
Oh, okay. And then you took it and you.
Yeah. Dude, it was.
What was that the engine in it when you bought it?
The block, yeah.
Oh, the block. Okay.
When I pulled it apart.
Was it bad?
The rings, every piston, the rings came out in at least like 10 different pieces. They were done.
Jeez.
And the bearings were like scored up to the point that it actually scored the crank, had the crank ground.
Ugh.
And so it's been bored. It's got oversized bearings. The camshaft bearings were wiped out to like they weren't even there. Like you could take the cam
and just, oh God. So you did all the work, or did you have some help?
I had a machine shop do all the bearings, and they honed it,
right,
and balanced all the rotating internals, and they did that. So they did all the boring and everything, but I actually assembled it all and put it all in.
Can we look at the under the engine?
I also rebuilt the transmission.
Yeah, look at that. Yeah, I don't know if you guys could hear me before, but when we filmed it over out in front of my house, there were all these cars flying by, but yeah, it's a sweet looking motor, man. It's clean. Definitely a sleeper.
Yeah.
Do you mind starting it up? Let's hear this thing start up. Did you say you put a cam in it too? You can hear the little lope to it. Nice. So you have exhaust on it?
Yeah, it's got dual 2.5 inch into a Flowmaster Super 44, the single 3 inch.
I had Super 44s on my truck. Yeah, I love the sound of them. Alright, we're out here. We're getting some of these scenic shots. He's about to drive off and get some nice GoPro shots. But this thing is sick. This thing is super awesome. That's so crazy. Definitely a sleeper, that's for sure. Now, if you guys are in the DMV and you want me to shoot a video like this for you, hit me up and my email. I'll put my email down below. I'd love to see your car. I'd love to film it. I'd love to get some nice cinematic shots for you. You can upload it to your Instagram or whatever you want to do, your Facebook, whatever, so your friends can see it. Hit me up down the email below. Boostedbill@yahoo.com. Alright guys, that's gonna end the video. Steve, thank you very much for bringing your truck down. If you guys don't follow him on Instagram, go check out his Instagram. It's in the video. I'll put it here below too if you want to go check it out. But I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Remember, stay boosted.
Let's